Many people, when they want to scan a document on their iPhone, go to the App Store and search for Scanner or something similar, like Scan PDF. And they simply look for these types of applications such as GIMP Scanner, Adobe Acrobat, and many others that are appearing here. However, there is a much easier way to do it that actually comes with the default iPhone app. In this case, this application is called Notes. You simply search for it, and as you can see here, it is this one over here and it is official from Apple. As you can see here, the developer is directly Apple. You must have this app installed on your iPhone unless you have uninstalled it previously. In my case, I uninstalled it. If you don't have it, just go back and install it as you are seeing right now, and as soon as it's installed, simply click to open it. Hi, sorry to interrupt the video. I wanted to remind you that if you like this type of content, don't forget to subscribe. Once you tap there, if you have saved notes, they will load from iCloud. If you don't have any, no problem, they will simply appear here. Now, to scan a document, we simply need to go to the bottom right, where the square with the pencil icon appears, and once it loads, we can start a note. So here, if you want, you can give it a title. In fact, what will the document be called? For example, I will name it book, and that's it. As soon as I do that, what I will be able to do is tap below where the camera is. This camera down here will allow me to scan any document, any PDF, or whatever I need to do. So in this case, what I'm going to do is scan a book. Precisely then, we are simply going to tap on the camera, and here it will tell us to select photo, video, scan documents, take photo, record video, or scan text. In this case, we will select scan documents, and here it will automatically load the camera. As you can see, it is already detecting. In fact, it has already taken a photo of the cover. But in this case, I don't need that. What I need, for example, is to take a photo of any page over here. For instance, this one. Let's see if it allows us. In this case, it automatically detects it. It took a bit of my finger, but since I'm using one hand, it's a bit difficult. But let's just say I took the photos correctly. Now we will tap here to retake and then tap save at the bottom right. When we tap save, as you can see, it automatically takes the scanned document. In this case, it is the main photo of the cover and the other photo I was just taking. However, as I said, this depends a lot on you taking the photo well and pointing the camera correctly at the book or document you have so that it is scanned properly. In my case, since I am recording with one hand and holding the book with the other, it doesn't come out very well. Now here it automatically takes, let's say, the name of the author, which is the first one that appears here. In theory, the name of the book should appear, but here it will show you scanned document or photo. Whatever it is, a little arrow will appear right next to the name. Here, what you need to do is tap where it says share. So once we are here, we just need to choose the social network, or if we simply want to print it. This depends on each of you, but let's say we are going to send it to my Telegram. I will tap on Save Messages and send it there. What I want to show you is that, as you can see, it comes out without any borders or watermarks. Here it shows the images exactly as I took them. This file is quite good. In fact, let's view it on the PC right now so you can see how it looks on a computer. Look, this is the file, this is the PDF, and we are already viewing it on the computer. And as you can see, it looks perfect. Practically, the only thing left for me to do is improve the photo, obviously, because I didn't take it very well. But as you can see, the PDF is completely fine. I already have it downloaded here on my PC, and I can send it via email or wherever I want, without the need for a watermark or installing applications that require a subscription or similar things. So, having said that, I hope you liked and found this video useful. See you next time. Bye.